Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Instant Pot is probably one of the most versatile kitchen appliances you can own, transforming the way you cook everything from weeknight dinners to elaborate feasts with its multifunctional capabilities, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, sautéing, steaming, and even yogurt making, all within a single, easy-to-use device that saves you time and counter space. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker. Meet the Instant Pot Duo Plus, your ultimate kitchen companion. It combines 9 essential cooking functions into one sleek appliance, simplifying your meal preparation. With 15 customizable smart programs, you can effortlessly create everything from comforting soups to delicious desserts. Just select your program and let it do the work. Its user-friendly display provides real-time updates on cooking time, temperature, and pressure. Plus, the detachable power cord makes storage a breeze. Enjoy peace of mind with our easy-release steam switch. It ensures a fast, safe, and straightforward steam release every single time you cook. The durable stainless steel inner pot is perfect for searing and sautéing. Its anti-spin, tri-ply bottom ensures even heating for professional results. This 6-quart cooker is ideal for families, meal prepping, or batch cooking, serving up to 6 people with ease. Cleanup is a snap with the dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot. It also comes with extra sealing rings and a steam rack for added convenience. What we like? This appliance offers a wide range of cooking functions, making it incredibly versatile. It comes with an app that provides over 800 recipes to inspire your culinary adventures. If you're looking for a do-it-all kitchen gadget that simplifies meal preparation and offers endless recipe possibilities, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. The Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a versatile kitchen appliance that can perform multiple functions, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice cooking, steaming, sautéing, yogurt making, and warming. It comes with 14 built-in smart programs that allow users to cook various dishes with just the touch of a button. The stainless steel inner pot is durable and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The lid is designed with a steam release valve and a safety locking mechanism to ensure safe operation. The Instant Pot Duo features a delay start timer that allows you to set the cooking time in advance, so your meal is ready when you are. It also has a keep warm function that automatically keeps your food warm after cooking. Number 4. Instant Pot Step-by-Step Cookbook. Discover the easiest way to master your Instant Pot. This cookbook guides you through 100 simple recipes for amazing meals. Achieve incredible dishes every time with our step-by-step approach. You'll be amazed at the delicious results you can create. Never guess again. Each recipe features clear photographs, showing you exactly what to do at every stage. From quick weeknight dinners to impressive weekend feasts, find 100 recipes that are both simple and spectacular. This is the ultimate companion for any Instant Pot owner. Make cooking easier and more rewarding than ever before. What we like? This cookbook is designed to make cooking easy and foolproof, even for beginners. With 100 simple recipes and photographs of every step, you're guaranteed to achieve great results. If you're new to pressure cooking or want a reliable guide to delicious meals, this cookbook is your perfect companion. What people say. This book is organized, well put together with step-by-step pictures of the process and pictures of the finished dish. No guessing. There are tips everywhere. He includes not only simple basic recipes, but beautiful step-by-step photos. This is a book you will want if you're considering buying an Instant Pot, or if you already have one, and want to do more with it. The step-by-step photos are fantastic, especially for someone new to pressure cooking who may not know what to expect or what things should look like at various stages of cooking. Having the time for each step is huge. Number 3. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer and Pressure Cooker. Meet the ultimate kitchen companion. It combines air frying, pressure cooking, and so much more, offering 11 distinct cooking functions to simplify your meals. With 11 customizable smart programs, you can effortlessly prepare a wide range of dishes. From comforting soups to delightful desserts, it handles it all with just one touch. Enjoy delicious food prepared up to 70% faster than traditional slow cooking. Plus, achieve that perfect crispy texture using 95% less oil, making your meals healthier. Our even crisp technology ensures a golden brown crunch every time. You can even customize the air frying temperature from 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit for your ideal crisp. The durable, pro-grade stainless steel inner pot features a tri-ply bottom for even heating. It's safe for stovetop and oven use, and the silicone handles make it easy to manage. With an 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for feeding the whole family. Prepare up to 8 servings, making it ideal for meal prep and cooking larger batches. What we like. This model goes beyond traditional pressure cooking by including an air fryer function, allowing for healthier and crispier meals. Its large 8-quart capacity is ideal for bigger families or meal prepping. If you love crispy foods but want to reduce oil, or if you need a larger capacity for family meals, this is the one to get. What people say. It cooks everything faster, healthier, and with amazing flavor. I love how easy it is to use and clean, and it replaces several appliances in my kitchen. With 10 different modes: pressure, sauté, sous vide, slow cook, steam, air fry, roast, broil, bake, dehydrate, there isn't a recipe I didn't try to force into this thing. Sauté function. This feature easily removes much of the cleanup involved with other Instant Pots by converting many meals to one pot. I love having less dishes. It gets hot enough to cook the things I needed to cook in a timely fashion and helps speed the process of the heating and pressurizing step that adds inconvenient time to my prep. Number 2. Instant Pot Bible, Copycat Recipes. Ever wished you could make your favorite restaurant dishes at home? Now you can, with this incredible collection of copycat recipes. Discover 175 unique ways to recreate popular restaurant meals using your Instant Pot. Get ready for a culinary adventure right in your own kitchen. Transform your home cooking with these easy-to-follow recipes. Enjoy the flavors you love, made conveniently in your Instant Pot. Experience the joy of making authentic-tasting restaurant favorites without leaving your house. These recipes are designed for success. Unlock the full potential of your Instant Pot with this essential guide. It's packed with creative and delicious copycat recipes for everyone to enjoy. What we like. This cookbook focuses on recreating popular restaurant dishes in your Instant Pot, offering 175 unique recipes. It's perfect for those who love dining out but want to enjoy those flavors at home. If you're a fan of specific restaurant meals and want to master making them yourself, this is an essential addition to your kitchen library. What people say. So many amazing varieties of recipes. Example are Chinese, Cajun, Vietnamese, Italian, etc. It also has different size pots and times to cook them is so helpful that I can't wait to try each and every one. Also even has pictures even in the ebook. The 2 recipes I tried from this cookbook have been fabulous. It is clear a lot of care went into crafting these recipes to match the flavor of the actual dishes. Each recipe has an excellent description at the beginning, which helps with dish ideas and brings inspiration. Instructions are very clear. The recipe info in red at the top is also helpful. Number 1. Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 Multicooker. Meet the Instant Pot Pro, a versatile 10-in-1 appliance designed to simplify your cooking. It's your pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and so much more, all in one compact unit. From pressure cooking and sous vide to sautéing and yogurt making, it handles it all. You can even bake, steam, or keep your meals warm with this single, powerful appliance. With 28 customizable one-touch programs, it makes tackling any recipe incredibly easy. Just select your meal, and let it do the work for you. Enjoy your favorite dishes in a fraction of the time. It preheats faster and cooks meals up to 70% quicker than traditional slow cooking methods. Our innovative steam release switch and diffusing cover ensure a safe and quiet experience. You can confidently release steam every time without worry. The generous 6-quart capacity is ideal for families, offering enough space for up to 6 servings. It's also perfect for meal prepping or batch cooking your favorite recipes. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. The dishwasher-safe lid and inner pot make cleanup incredibly simple. What we like. This appliance boasts a faster preheat time and more one-touch smart programs than many others, streamlining your cooking process. It offers 10 versatile functions to handle a wide array of dishes. If you value speed and convenience in the kitchen, and appreciate a greater variety of customizable cooking options, this model is designed for you. What people say. The Instant Pot is cutting that time down by hours. What took 4 hours is now 40 minutes, and that includes only 10 minutes of my standing over the pot adding and sautéing. The fact the Instapot Pro has handles makes a world of difference. On top of that, the inner pot of this Pro has a heavy bottom, making a great steel pot, so it just worked like a normal pot on the stove top, giving me the options in using either the electrical device or on the stove top. The stainless steel cooking pot is easy to clean and doesn't stain or wear as the cooking pot provided for the Ninja OL 700 pressure cooker. This is a definite plus over the Ninja pressure cooker. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.